Good evening, participants. So, myself, Dr. Golna, and I'll be taking today's session. So, let me share my slide. 1 second. Am I audible to everyone? So, I think my slide should be visible. So, I welcome you all to Sthanika Chikitsa and Sri Roga orientation session initiated by MedMaps Medical Services and organized by Ayurveda Map. So, we'll just go one slide. So first is this is like a free session, and we'll be talking about the importance of Stanika Chikitsa in Suti, Tantram, and Sri Rogam, and I'm a course coordinator of this. So, what is Ayurveda MAP? So, we support and educate Ayurvedic doctors with modern tools, and we are rooted in tradition and guided by innovation. We nurture compassionate healers and a global wellness community. We are committed to excellence, ethics, and holistic well being, and empowering individuals to reclaim health through Ayurveda. Next is about our director and founder, MedMam Medical Services Ayurveda Map, Dr. Jaisul Alingal sir. So he is a distinguished Ayurvedic physician and a visionary in integrated healthcare. So Sarah's done BAMS graduate and he has been mentored by Ashtavaidyan Shankaran Moose and Dr. KP Muralidharan. And he is focused on structured learning, mentorship, and transformative education. So he is a recognized leader and a reformist, inspiring excellence and innovation in practice. So next is what is our vision? We in Ayurveda MAP, we were being founded with an intention of helping and aspiring Ayurvedic Vaidyas achieving their professional goals. So we provide diploma courses in the community's most popular subjects as a part of enhancing their skills. So now coming to our course, certified course in Stanika Chikitsa in Sri Rogam. So first, you will be mastering around 12 plus specialized local therapies in 3 months. So you'll be having 10 to 12 recorded online sessions combined with 4 days of intensive practicals at STM College Udupi. So the main focus is you'll be having again 4 days of intensive hands-on practicals at STM College Udupi, where because practical training in important procedures used in Sri Rogam will be helping you build a clinical confidence to much more level. Next is what are the highlights of this course? So you will be having 12 to 15 recorded online theory classes. So where you can get access at your own convenient time and place. And again, you will be having 4 days intensive hands-on practicals at STM College Udupi because again, practical training is much more mandatory. And you will also have an addition of 2 years access to this course content. And next, you'll be having a comprehensive understanding of Sthanika Chikitsa because you'll be learning the principles, the clinical application of Sthanika Chikitsa, especially in various gynecological disorders. Next, clinical application and practice. Again, the course is focused on how to practically apply these treatments in day-to-day gynecological practice. And again, you'll be having 3 months course assistance also. Next, what are the syllabus? First, you have applied anatomy, and physiology of reproductive organ, which is must to be learned. Next is basic concept of gynecology in Ayurveda. Next is local and advanced diagnostic procedures. Next, it will be pharmacological and pharmaceutical aspect of Sri Rogam drugs. Then mainly Russia Aushadhis used in Sri Rogam. And next, case sheet preparation in Sri Rogam. So these are the syllabus. So again, repeat, you will be learning applied anatomy and physiology. Basic concept of gynecology you will be learning. Local and advanced diagnostic procedures. Pharmacological and pharmaceutical aspect of Sri drugs, Rasa Aushis in case sheet preparation in Sri Rogam. Next, what are the Stanika Chikitsa you will be learning is Yoni Prakshalana, Yoni Varti, Yoni Pichu, Yoni Kalkadarana, Yoni Dupana, Shara Karma, Agni Karma, Uttaravasti, Yoni Pralepa, Stanika Snehana, and Swedan. These all you will be learning how to make. You will be learning how to insert it. You will be learned how to do PV, how to do per speculum. All these things you will be learning in those 4 days intensive workshop. So I repeat, you will be learning Yoni Prakshalana, Yoni Varti, Yoni Pichu, Yoni Kalkadarana, Yoni Dupana, Shara Karma, Agni Karma, Uttaravasti, Yoni Pralepa, Stanika Snehana, and Swedana. Next is who are the speakers and who will be guiding you. So first is Dr. Mamata, Principal, SDM College, Udupi. Next is Dr. Sujitra Kuji Ramadevi ma'am, Professor, Head of the Department, PTSR, SDM College, Udupi. Next will be Dr. Pavitra Pai ma'am, Assistant Professor, Department of PG, SDM College, Udupi. Dr. Arpana Devi ma'am, Assistant Professor, SDM College, Udupi. So now comes the fee structure. So the total course fee is around 26,500. I repeat, the total course fee is around 26,500. And if you're going to do the full payment within 2 weeks, all the participants who are doing that will get a 10% concession, which is the offer price of 23,850 rupees. So again, the total course fee is around 26,500. And if any participant who are going to do the full payment within 2 weeks, all the participants will have a 10% off, which is 23,850 rupees. So what are the career opportunities? So after you have learned these, so you can start a specialized women health clinic, focusing mainly on women and women health. Next, you can work in Ayurvedic gynecological centers and hospitals because you would have learned the local procedures. So it will be really helpful. Next, you will be building a referral-based specialist practice because now there is a demand for PTSR practiced doctors. And next, you can collaborate with fertility and integrative clinics. And again, you can become an infertility preconception care consultant also. Next, you can upgrade from routine practice to specialized clinical excellence. So these are the glimpse of the previous Stanika Chikitsa course, which happened from our Ayurveda map. These are all the faculties and students who has been participating and have enriched knowledge of it. So a special offer for today's participant also, you can just scan this QR code and you can enroll in the course. So how to access the course after joining? First, we are Google Chrome on iPhone. You have to open ayurvedamap.com in the Google Chrome and tap the three-dot menu. In the bottom right corner, you select Add to Home Screen, then tap Add. Tap the icon on your home screen anytime to join your class quickly and easily. And if you find any difficulties also, you can connect with the team. So this is how to do. Irrespective of that, you're not able to connect it properly. No worries, we are there to help. So again, I repeat, in iPhone, you have to search ayurvedamap.com. You have to tap the three dot menu in the bottom right corner. You have to select add to home screen, tap add. The icon will be appearing on your home screen and you can join anytime as leisurely. Next, via mobile app Android, download Ayurveda map from the Play Store. You can use our website code, which is NXURKC, and submit. You have to log in with your registered email ID and password. So make sure that whatever email ID which you have registered in Ayurveda map, you have to enroll in that. And then your class will be accessible in the library session. And again, via website, personal computer, ayurvedamap.com, click login. And you don't have to create a new account. You have to register and log in with your registered email account only. And click on my course. Your course will be available there. And again, I repeat, if you face any difficulties in accessing also, we are there to help you. Next point to notice, the recordings will be found in the Sthanika Chikitsa Sri Roga recordings, which is like the pic shown here. So other than this course, we are also offering different kind of course. For example, certified course in Ayurveda cardiology, which is a 6 months course completely online. Next is certified course in antenatal and postnatal care, which is again a 6 months course. Next, our course, that is certified course in Sthanika Chikitsa and Sri Roga. Next, we also have postgraduate and professional diploma program. So first is postgraduate diploma in Ayurveda cosmetology, which is a 1 year course. Again, we have postgraduate diploma in Ayurveda nutrition, which is again a 1 year course. Then we have professional diploma in orthopedics and sports medicine rehabilitation in Ayurveda, which is a 6 months course. So irrespective of this course, there are multiple courses also available in our Ayurveda map. So if you want to join or your friends need to join, they can enroll connecting our team further. As again, there is upcoming courses like postgraduate diploma in Ayurvedic cosmetology and trichology, professional diploma in Ayurveda Panchakarma, postgraduate diploma in Ayurvedic nutrition, certified course in Sthanika Chikitsa and Sri Rogam, professional diploma in integrated sports rehabilitation in Ayurveda, diploma in antenatal and postnatal care, certified course in Ayurveda cardiology. And these are the numbers. If you want to enroll, you can connect via these numbers for enrollment. Again, postgraduate diploma in clinical cosmetology, where you will be having 5 days hands-on clinical training. Next is postgraduate diploma in Ayurveda nutrition, which is around like 1 year course. And again, professional diploma in Ayurveda Panchakarma, which is a 6 months course. Next is professional diploma in sports medicine and rehabilitation, which is again a 6 months course. And again, there's another course which is diploma in antenatal and postnatal care in Ayurveda, which is a 6 months course, where that's hybrid, like offline sessions are also available. Where you will be going to the hospitals and you will be trained in postnatal also. So another course is postgraduate diploma in Ayurveda cosmetology and trichology. Next is our course, Sthanika Chikitsa and Sri Roga, which is a 3 months course. So this is the contact and support. So if you have any doubts or any queries, you can connect via this and you can connect with us. For enrollment, for course details, these are the numbers. I repeat, 89216 and another number 99958 and last number 99476 50166. I repeat again, 89216 50166 99958 10202, and next number is 99476 50166. So if you have any doubts, you can now ask. So any doubts or any questions, you can ask now. Um, Participants, if you have any doubts or any questions. Okay, by Dr. Rishita, ma'am. Actually, I have joined late. Is this course is completely online or offline? Okay. So Rishita, this course is a offline course where you will be having a 3 days of intensive training at SGM College Udupi. So that you will be later only it will be happening. So you will be going there and learning all the hands-on of Stanika Chikitsa. I think I'm cleared your doubt. Online you will be learning all the course material, all before going into hands-on, right? You have to know the stuff. So all these Yoni Prakshalana, what is Yoni Prakshalana, what is Yoni Pichu, all these things you'll be learning, and then you will be going into SDM College Udupi for hands-on practice. So doctors, any other doubts? Thank you, Rishita. So the forum is open. You can either post your queries in the chat box, or you can unmute yourself and you can ask also. So I repeat again, the course duration is 3 months, Dr. Sonia. It will be starting shortly. So the participants are joining. So then it will be starting by the end of this month. Tentatively by the end of this month. Thank you, Dr. Pavitra. Thank you, Dr. Sonia. So other than this, any doubts from the participant side, you can ask me. So I think I have cleared all your doubts, if I'm correct. So any doubts from the participant side? Okay, I think then I'll wind up the session. So thank you all the participants for joining this session. And from the team, on behalf of Ayurveda Map, I thank everyone. Thank you. So if you have any doubts or any concerns, you can connect with the number which is given also. We'll be helping further. Thank you. Uh, Dr. Sonia, both together, the complete course is for 3 months. So in that 3 months, you'll be having 3 days of offline session also. Are you clear? Initially, you'll be having online, like online session for a few days where you'll be able to learn all these things. And then you will be going into 3 days offline session. Sri Loga classes will be there. You'll be having Sri Loga classes. That is like all based on Sthanika Chikitsa, Sri Loga classes you'll be having. Mostly you'll be having recorded sessions. And there'll be, at last, there'll be discussion sessions also. So, so what you need to repeat, I'll repeat it again, Dr. Sonia. If possible, can you unmute and ask me? Um, okay, I'll repeat again. So first you'll be having the online session, and after you have learned around like 70%, you'll be having the offline session so that you'll be able to do the hands-on, right? So for that, you'll be having within the 3 months itself, you'll be having the offline session also. I think I have cleared your doubt. Any more doubts? Okay, Dr. Sonia. So other than that, any doubts? Fine, fine. Thank you. Thank you. So thank you all for joining the session. Hope I see everyone in the Stanika Chikitsa course also. Thank you all. Thank you.